Salam all, this Adil here. Welcome back again. This is part of the series of lectures or tutorials on how to download and analyze Twitter data using open source free tools and affordable applications. Now, this is another tool, it's very interesting, called Mozdeh. How do you do that? You go to the following website. Let me zoom for that. Go to the website called mozdeh.wlv.ac.uk. Go to that website and then download. It's very interesting, very powerful. It says big data text analysis. It is very, very powerful. You can see how the capability of this tool and how it can do. I mean, it's just very, very powerful. It was designed by the Statistical Cybermetrics Research Group at the University of Wolverhampton during the Green. It says here toward the end, it's part of Cyber Emotions Europe projects. Okay, it's very powerful. Okay, so what you need to do is just click on download. Let's click on the download and follow the steps. I have already downloaded it, but just click on download. Go to this. It says right click, save as. I will save it again on my documents. Save, replace it. Okay, because I have already downloaded it. So then open the folder. Go to the folder. Okay, something went wrong. Okay, so because I already have it there, I'll just go ahead and open it because I have already downloaded it. I will go to the documents and go to the place where you have downloaded it. Then you need to right click, run as administrator. Don't forget, run as administrator. Say yes. Now it wants to create a folder. You can choose which path. I will just go by my documents. Okay. Now a new folder has created. You can see on my document here, there's a folder called Mozdeh data here. You can see there's a folder called Mozdeh data. So Mozdeh data. So all the analysis will be saved in that folder. Note that down. Step number 1, you need to create a project. Okay. So let's say my test. Let's say COVID-19 hashtag. Okay, click on start project. Click on start project. Now I get this. Okay, I will get this window. Enter a list of queries, open lines, etc. So I will go and get that hashtag. What was it? COVID-19. Yes, COVID-19. Here it is. COVID-19. Okay, go back again to the window. Language. It's very powerful. You can choose language, Arabic. Is it Arabic? I think there is. I'm not sure if there is Arabic, but other type of languages. I think that we will find during the analysis. English. COVID-19. And then it says the query of the user gets, if you want from a user, you have to use @ and then user. You can see there, Okay, you can get geo, you can get Twitters like users, you can get YouTube from Reddit as well, tweets, search, use files of tweet IDs, you can use tweet IDs. This is for analysis and for privacy because you cannot display Twitter in public. So instead you can use IDs. Let's say click search Twitter once. Now it's okay. You have just protected your file. Twitter text allow app because I will allow it because I trust this app. I have used it. Okay, got it. Continue. I think I need to authorize my API, my Twitter. Just click on again. I'll click on it. It gives you details here. Just keep reading the details. Now it says Mozdeh now needs your needs Twitter to gain your permission. Oh, that is a lot. Click on OK. Sign in Twitter. Record the pin given to you. Blah, blah. So there is a guideline here. Follow these steps. Okay. Just keep following the steps. Click OK. Now see, it took me to Twitter because I already have my Twitters open, so it is the life is much easier. Click on authorize. It will give me pin. Now I get this pin, copy this one, then go back to Mozdeh. It says enter the 7-digit number, Control V, paste, say OK. Khalas, I have already authorized Mozdeh to access Twitter database via my API, my account, my own personal Twitter account API, token secret and privileges. Now, what is happening now? If you can see that, you can see this. If you can see my mouse, you can see my mouse. It looks like it means that it is searching for something. It is searching for something. So basically, it says filter out duplicates with identical tweets. This would include retweets after the. Do you want to remove duplicates or not? You can say yes or no. Recommended answer yes. I don't want duplicate. Click yes. Now here is the fun and the interesting thing. Which language do you want to analyze? One, English. If I put number 1, I will analyze using English. Number 2, I will analyze using what? Using Spanish, French, etc. If I download Arabic tweets and I want to analyze Arabic, you can see here I will enter here instead of number 1, number 3, because number 3 is Persian, Arabic, Hindi, etc. Okay. Meanwhile, I will put number 1 because it is English, COVID-19. Now, preparing the project for the first use, it may take hours if you have lots of data. No, I don't have lots of data. Now, khalas, done. Now you can group text by day, by year. I would say by day or by hour. So let's say by hour for now. Okay. Now it is analyzing. Now you have another step here. Which language would you like to classify? English. Number 1, English. Arabic is 12. You see, I put 1 English. Okay. Okay, now it's analyzing. It's very copyrighted Mike. Mike, what is it? Tellwall to 2020. Okay. Please, again, guys, whenever you use Mozdeh software, do not forget to cite. Go to the main website. It will tell you how to cite it. Okay. Now it says project test COVID now prepared for the first use. It is stored here. If you see, I can find my data set in my document. You see Mozdeh raw data under the folder called subfolder called raw data. That is where I can find. I'm like, okay, now I can do more analysis here. I can do more analysis. If I go to that folder, which is like Mozdeh folder, I can see here test COVID-19. That was the folder name. And then you can see now I have all the data set. Raw data here, you can see that is raw data. Now here are the tweets. Click on that. I see I have all the tweets here. You can see these are the tweets, the author. I can even save these and import using CSV, by the way. You have all the data set there. How many records did it download? How many records? Let me see. Maybe I need to use another. No, open with Notepad. Let me see how many records. See, almost 2,000, guys. Incredible. It is powerful. You can see just with one click, It's very, I really like this software. Now, you can do a lot of stuff here. I don't want to make this video long, but again, you can come here on top and click network data. You can use text analysis. You can publish your paper. You can do a lot of things. Let me click on network analysis. Make networks of posts, convert columns text into co-occurrence links. It's just, I can create a network of user connection in tweets. The first one. Largest minimum, I will go for tweets. You have 1, 2, 3. I will just go by number 1. Top 50, I only want 5 people. 50 people. I will save it as test network. what does it say? I need to raw data. Oh, I need to bring this raw data here. Okay. Search type, save, click yes, yes. You see now I have my data set. Okay. You can see, now here is my network here. You can see people. If I click on the if I click on each single node here, I can see the tweet, what is happening in that network, you know. I can probably node, I can zoom, I missed this step. So what I did actually, if I come here to the layout, I can choose random. You can see I have random layout. So you can see this guy, there is a heavy interaction between this, and there are some messages there are displayed. This is the network. I can change to circular network. You can see now that is a circular. I can get node information. So basically just play around. This is 10 minutes video. I will not make it more than that. But just in case if you want to use this one, you also have an option. You have statistics. You can partition. It's like in Jeffy will discuss later on. Right now I'm not discuss. You can load Payek. You can see as well a file. Have fun. Play with it. I will record other videos how to do the what do you call network analysis. But for now we just downloaded the tweets. You can export them into CSV. That's it for now. Have fun with Mozdeh. Read more about it. There are tutorials online. And for now, stay at home and stay safe.